2008 Ford Crown Victoria Executive Edition. I don't know. I just came up with that. But it's cool. I like the color of it. It's different. So, as you know, if you guys know Crown Vics, they got 4 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it comes usually a single. I'll show you guys over there in the scrap pile. But what we did is we cut that off and ran true duals all the way back. And we ran it 2-inch in the middle, 2-inch tailpipes, as you guys can see. And then we ran 2 1/4 out the back on each side, there and there. And then we put 3.5 by 18 rolled edge tips to give it the Marauder look. As you guys can see, there and there. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. Now it looks like a Marauder. It's got the Marauder exhaust on it. A lot nicer, a lot sexier. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. And there's the old exhaust that was on it. That's how it widened in after the cats. There's the muffler, and there's part of the tailpipe that we cut off. There it is, what it looks like. 6 Cadillac CTS V6. What we got done on it, factory converters, Roth there. Weird converters on this one, they're square. And there. Then we did a mid resonator delete. It is true dual, all the way back, 2 1/4. And rear muffler delete, there and there, also 2 1/4. And then also black 4-inch tips out the back to complete the look right there. There's the 2 mufflers we cut off, and there's the resonator we cut off. Dual in, dual out. So it is basically true dual all the way back. So guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That sounds good. That sounds good. Back it up. Much nicer. You see the tips on it. Came out really nice, really clean. I like it. Customer, he's not here. He's gonna come pick it up. That sounds so nice. It is actually a Cadillac STS V8 North Star. Ooh. Wow. Not your average Cadillac. Your sound decibels? Right at 120. That sounds phenomenal. That's what the North Star is. Wow. It's got a really nice pop to it. Let you guys hear on these. Sexy. True duals. True dual, straight pipe, 2-inch mid, 2 1/4 rear, 3.5-inch tips. Yeah, babe. Enjoy, guys.